It's a 1982 Suzuki 1100 Katana Superbike. Runs at Atlantic Motorsport Park, Shubenacadie, Nova Scotia. Runs about 120 horsepower. Got GSXR first generation triple tree forks, swing arm, second generation 17-inch wheels, 33 smooth bores, and it's running in the Formula Vintage class, and we're allowed to run the big wheels and brakes for safety. It's a fun bike, handles really good. Both sides of the engine touch the track with these big wheels and tires. Lots of traction. As you can see, the cover's still touching. It's a pretty light bike with chromoly frame. That's it.